Hello, my name is Maulida Wahidatu Sofia, and my friend, I am Itanur Hidayati. We are presenting on the job training report at Garuda Media Telematika, Jombang. Praise and thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala that we call finish this report, the job training report at PT Garuda Media Telematika, Jombang. Due to the finishing the last grade for English test requirement, we express our gratitude to the person as follows. Number 1, Mrs. Puput Amiranti as teacher English, who has directed and accompanied use the complete this report. Number 2, Mr. Ferry Setiawan, the head program teacher for the network and computer engineer program, we has directed carefully, taught and inspired youth more about studying networking. Number 3, parents who always training, driving, sporting and counting and great for us, mainly for seconding our school until finish. Number 4, friend who has been the good person for sharing and supporting each other in the studying process. Later, we are aware if this report is still far from perfectness. Therefore, some critique and suggestions are necessary to give us good input in improve this report better.
Chapter 1 Introduction. Background. As living in digital era of industrial, we are the part informatic technology program. Our special is in digital networking technology or computer and networking engineering program. Therefore, we concur in our decision of choosing the prominent place or intern that relate to digital networking technology development as our main work for study. In this part of chapter, we would like to report that we have completed a 6-month period of training at PT Garuda Media Telematika in Jombang. PT Garuda Media Telematika is company in the field of internet service provider that provider tower installation, tower assembly, electrical grounding, ordinary lighting and radius protection, internet network. In addition, Garuda Media Telematika as the organizer of the direct access broadband wireless internet. A company profile. Garuda Media Telematika has been established since 2017. This company aims the organizer of special broadband wireless internet access all Jombang and its surrounding area. As an ESP with a high commitment and hard work to always provide the best service and in accordance with customer satisfaction and also a cooperative relationship with large network provider companies that use fiber optic connection to international network. Improve quality and provide fast and reliable service. The headquarters building of the Garuda Media Telematika is located in Street Blimbing, Gudo, Jombang, East Java. The scope of work conduction by Garuda Media Telematika cover providing collection data center service ranging from Garuda Media Reg Mount to one full rack. Warranted security is monitored 24 hours a day. All service location is supported by backup link and electric power. Hosting service with SSID and unlimited bandwidth will always make the website run well and can be faster when accessed. The domain can be owned to increase business in Indonesia. High-speed internet connection service providers are supported by fiber optic backbone media from Indonesia Internet Action. To several major points of preference so that the quality of the internet network becomes more stable, fast, private, and guaranteed and maintained. By applying their work, Garuda Media Telematica gives the best service to the customer who handle wireless broadband internet access with coverage in Jombang and its surrounding areas. Chapter 2: Practical Training, Organization and Employees. The simple organization structure of Garuda Media Telematica is shown in figure on 1 as follows. Director Owner Sudarji. Field Technician Denny Palestino. Admin Rifki Nur Rahmah. The employee Samsul Arifin. The structure of organization description. Exact information about the number and job description of the company of employees are also provided. Number 1. President Director. Mr. Sudarji has a position as President Director at Garuda Media Telematic, where he is in charge of monitoring work in his company. In addition to monitor, he also took part in managing the company in order to grow forward. He also participated in project work in the field. Number 2. Field Technician. Mr. Denny Palestino. He has a position as Chief Engineer at Garuda Media Telematic. He is in charge of dividing the area for troubleshooting or installing Wi-Fi in client. In addition to David, he also monitoring the work of the employees. He also takes part in handling some of this project. Besides that he is also authorized to accept and supervise students who are practiced in the past. Number 3. Admin Rifki Nur Rahman. He is an admin Garuda Media Telematic. He has a position as server in the administration or regulation finance in the company. He regulates the amount of money in and out the company. He also handles Wi-Fi payments from clients. Number 4. The employees. Mr. Samsul Arifin. He has status as an employee at Garuda Media Telematic. He is tasked with checking or fixing problems in client with approval of the chief technician. Training outline and environment. We had spent most of the training period at Garuda Media Telematic, which was included in the internet service provider. More specifically, most of my training was in Wi-Fi installation, reparation, troubleshooting of Wi-Fi. The supervisor is Rifki. Denny Palestino is my direct manager in the file of provide. The training schedule covered in the first week of training and include the main topic of special concern in importance in the department to be discussion as following. In January, we will give some training as follows: grounding and pointing cable for client, overcoming troubleshooting on the client, assemble a totaling, assemble a grid antenna. In February, we will give some training as follows: learn to share bandwidth, troubleshooting in the workshop, preparation for operational eligibility test, measure the grounding cable, run hotspot and schedule setting, plan to create a set schedule and blocks configuration, attach a grounding cable to the lightning rod. In March, we will give some training as follows: mapping client Lamongan area, stamp Wi-Fi payment notice, install Wi-Fi at SLB Darul Ulum Jogoroto, install the tool on the server rack.
Okay, identifying current project and following up the work. First month January until March. The first month of training is to make you familiar with the work environment and how to it flows. About 8 days at the start of the training period, we'll spend just monitoring how the staff around me worked and what they were doing. At this stage, we could understand the general sequence or flow of technical process and the role of the company. For 8 days, we know that there were two important parts in Garuda Media. The first part is pilot technicians who work on Wi-Fi installation and Wi-Fi network repair. The second part was Internet network monitoring from the Garuda office. The following week, we were placed as assistant in remapping the Wi-Fi network and at the client's home. We assisted workers there in providing service to customers. It did not make sense that we only carry, sell and sell product to customers, but our knowledge of IT was very supportive to explain customers well. If we didn't understand, staff tell us about product and service. In the last week of March, we did a new server construction. At this stage, we helped raise the rocket antenna to the tower on the Gudo server. After the device reached in the tower, we did pointing with our central server in Garuda. Then we configured the router so that our scope communicate with each other. The next week, we were given free because of COVID-19. The company no longer wanted to server troubleshooting the client, and finally, we will return to our respective homes. List of the problem with the Wi-Fi network and the client. Analyze the problem. Start to make a list of devices and equipment needed for troubleshooting. Begin to repair and repair it well. including testing the configuration on the TP-Link, router, fiber optic cable, and grid antenna. Finally, the total list of repair includes new device service fees to the admin Garuda company. Closing and recommendation. The conclusion. 1. We can feel that it feels like the work real. 2. We get a lot of experience and new knowledge. 3. We can recognize or know how to talk with people of different character. 4. The importance of communication and cooperation in work. Suggestion 1. Make a schedule every project. 2. Make the workplace as comfortable as possible for employees. 3. Instill the principle of relaxed but still appropriate and responsive. Yoo-hoo. This is photos when doing troubleshooting.
Okay, so many presentations from us. We have very useful. Goodbye.